crazy that sometimes we go through life without even realizing how certain things have been controlling everything in our lives. How and why certain things turn out to be the way that they do. Why do we complain about how the same kind of people walk in our lives, the same kind of situations happen in our life, but we don't understand that we are the ones who have been doing this, who have led to all these situations to happen to us. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishpreet. I'm a mindset and manifestation coach. I'm going to be telling you about the 3 things that are acting as poison in your life, super toxic, and you probably don't even know it. I'm sure once you go through the video, I'm pretty sure that you'll be like, oh really? But they are, and they have been affecting your life all this while on a subconscious level, and I'm going to tell you what are these. The number one thing is news. We watch the news so much. We are on our phones all the time, and so we are on the news all the time. And when I say news, it's as synonymous as just pure negativity. It's unnecessary information when you stick to the news all day long, knowing about and hearing about what's happening in the world, who killed who. I don't know, I can't even begin. But you don't know that you watching the news 24/7 or on your phone being 24/7, every time you consume a piece of information, it sends a chemical reaction to your brain. If you read a negative piece of information, that itself is a powerful feeling enough to be sent to your subconscious mind, and in turn it keeps programming your mind one day after another. Maybe just download an app and filter out only the pieces of information that you want to see. Another thing that you can do is draw out of conversations that involve discussing these news items. There is a lot going on, and when we come into groups, that is sometimes all that we can talk about. Number 2, comparing yourself to someone else. Why I am mentioning this is because firstly, it is a poison in real sense to yourself and to your self-image. And also the fact that, again, we are on our phones all the time, we are on our social media all the time. We tend to go through these people's handles and lives, and all we can do is think about how we are not at their place. Self-love is a very personal concept, and self-love is directly associated to how happy you are as a person and how content you are as a person. Would you be in a position ever to go out to someone who you really love and then tell them that, hey, look at that other person and look at you, how you are and how you dress and how you look, how you are in your career and all these things, and sound all demeaning and sound all condescending? Would you do that to someone that you love? I don't think so. I really don't think so. But if you do, stop that now. But if you don't, you owe yourself the same thing. Why I included this in these 3 top things acting as poison is because it's something we live with every day. The extent to which you love yourself speaks volumes of what is happening in your life. Let's say you've been wanting to do something for a super long time, and you know it's really good for you to do it, and it's gonna give you that amazing leap that you've been waiting for. But only because you have these self-image issues, and you know that people are gonna judge you, people are gonna say this and say that, you hold yourself back. And you know that, oh, the other person was really good, I'm not gonna match their level anyway, so what's the point? It is gonna reflect in everything that you do on an everyday basis. Whatever is happening in your life, believe it or not, it is connected to the way that you see yourself and the way and to the extent that you love yourself. Be your own competitor, be your own cheerleader. There is a certain form of liberation in there. So liberate yourself. The 3rd toxic thing that you want to get rid of from your life, and I'm sure this is going to be a little surprising for a few of you, it is avoiding shows that involve a lot of negativity, a lot of dark humor, and just that dark element to it. Today with Netflix, with Amazon, with all these things, it is super easy to go and watch anything you want. The choice of shows that you watch, the choice of movies that you pick is having a direct impact on the way that you see the world and the way that you see everything happening around you. You know, when I was a kid, I used to watch Crime Patrol like every other household in India, I think. I can't begin to tell you how it negatively started to impact my mind in ways that if I used to go out, and let's say if I was in an elevator, my mind started playing tricks on me. My mind used to tell me that, oh my God, I'm not in a safe place. What if this guy does this? What if that guy does this? It used to be a constant loop of negative assumptions of what might happen with me. It used to have such a negative impact in my life, which I wasn't realizing. I only started to be aware of it after a certain point when I caught myself literally being skeptical about everything that was happening in my life. I have mentioned this in my past videos that your subconscious is literally the ruler of your life. It is what governs your life. Whatever is in your subconscious is what you will automatically start to see in your reality without knowing it. So all these shows that you're watching, it is probably even leading you to believe a lot of things that you should not. Your ideologies about different things in life, about love, about relationships, about people in general, about the way that you see yourself. It has a massive impact on your self-confidence, your self-esteem, and all of it. I'm not suggesting you to not watch these things, but I'm just maybe suggesting you to be a little aware of the kind of content that you consume, because every single thing will have an impact on you and it will show up in your life in various different ways. You will just be confused as to why are the same kind of things happening to you, but you'll never have an answer. But this is the answer. And that is all for today, you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.